Chapter 11. Chart Window Properties. You can access the chart window properties either by pressing F8 or by right-clicking in the chart window and selecting it from the bottom of the drop-down menu. In the Common tab, you will have additional options, such as changing the display type of the chart, adjusting the scale of the displayed chart, or disabling the chart shift and auto-scroll. The most important feature of this tab is the Show tab. Show Ticker. Hide the line containing the trading symbol name, the time frame, and a custom comment. OHLC Indicator. This indicator will display the values of open, high, low, and close prices for a specific time period. Show Quick Trading Buttons. Hide buttons that open the Quick Trade panel and the depth of market on the chart. Another option is Show Tick Volumes, which allows you to hide the volume chart calculated based on the number of ticks at the bottom of the window. The option is unavailable with Scale Fix enabled. Show Object Descriptions. Hide object descriptions on the chart. If the option is enabled and objects on the chart are provided with descriptions, these descriptions appear straight on the chart. In the Color tab, you can adjust the color properties according to your preferences. Scheme. Select a predefined chart color scheme. 4 color schemes are available: yellow on black, green on black, black on white, and color on white. Custom color schemes can be saved using templates. Thank you for watching.